Back. We are now on lecture 4, expressions, calling functions. This lecture covers sections 2.6, 2.7 and 2.8 from our textbook. All right, what have we seen so far? We have seen member functions of a class, object dot method parameters. Okay, we haven't implemented a class yet, but something like circle dot draw window. That makes sense. Draw method of the circle object inside the window. Or from the math module, choose square root of 25. We have also seen pure functions. Okay, methods come from a class, so they are member functions. Pure functions are not formally methods from a class. For example, character for 37 code, ordinal of a space string character, int of 3.14. We have seen these functions. Here are some commonly used built-in functions. Try each one of these. Okay, let's try each one of these. Open your Python shell and let's try these. I'm going to try only one per function. I would ask you to try some more. Range 10. It just tells me range 0 to 10. It's supposed to return the list of integers from 0 up to not including stop. So when it tells me range 0 to 10, what does that mean? Let me try print range 10. Okay, that still tells me this. Okay, let me see the list of range 10. Aha, now I understand what it is. Range 10 means it starts from 0, goes until 9. That's what this means. Starting from 0 but not including stop, the last number, 10 that we gave it. Okay, range start to stop. So let's do the same. Range 5 to 15. Okay, if I want to see what it actually is, look at list range 5 to 15. Starts at 5, keeps going until 14, not 15. Okay. How about range, the third one? Start, stop, step. Range 5 to 30, step of 2. Okay. List of range 5, 30, step of 2. 5, step of 2 means it skipped 2, right? 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 11, 13, all the way until 29, because I'm supposed to stop before 30. So I go as far as I can before 30 and stop. 2 more would take me to 31. That's beyond it, right? Hey, this is an interesting approach. Let's look at list range 0 to 100, step of 2. 0, 2, 4, 6. Aha, these are all the even numbers until 98. Because I'm not allowed to use 100, I stop at 98. So this gave me all the even numbers from 0 to 98. Let's see list range 1 to 100, step of 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, all the way until 99. 2 more would take me past 100. Okay, so these are all the odd numbers. So that's a very nice way of getting even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, next, length of a sequence. So let's see length of a list, range 10. is 10. Length of a list, it tells you exactly what it is. Length of a string, it tells you exactly how many characters there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay. So len is a built-in function which tells you number of elements in the sequence. Absolute number, ABS of 5 is 5. ABS of -5 is also 5. ABS stands for absolute value. Power of 2, 3 is 8. So that is 2 to the power 3 is 8. That's what this is. Okay. Round, we saw this in our previous lectures. Round 3.14 gives me 3. Okay. Round 3.1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, whatever. Up to 3 decimal places gives me 1, 2, 3. Looks at the next one, it's below 5, so ignores everything thereon. Okay, rounding. Then ordinal of a character. So suppose I give it empty space, rather one space, not empty space. There is a space. There is the space character. So that is ordinal of space is 32. Ordinal of D is 100, and so on. What about character of a number? Character for any code, 53 is actually 5. Character of 99 is C, so on. Minimum of 3, 4, 8, -1, 10. It's giving me actually -1, the correct one. What about minimum of a sequence? So suppose I give it a word, right? United States of America, right? So notice I've given it a word, so no space, I haven't given it. So it's giving me A as the minimum. You understand? Because that's by minimum, smallest item in the sequence. So smallest is A. All right. But if I say United States of America, let's skip America. Okay. So there is a little A there. So let's see. It tells me S. Why is S the minimum? Capital S, not A anymore. Remember, capital letters, characters are smaller than small case. So capital U and capital A are smaller than all of the others. Among these two, capital S is the smallest. Okay. Likewise, maximum 3, 4, 8, -1, 10. Well, good. Maximum of United States is T, because capital U and S are smaller than small cases. Among the small cases, notice T is the biggest one. Sum 3, 4, 8, -1, 10. It's expecting only 2, so something has changed. Okay, so some of these things, please have a look at these methods, functions, to make sure that they are still valid, as sort is not defined. Oh, sorted. I don't want sort. Okay. Expected 1 argument. Okay, so it's not happy with that also. Let's try a list. Okay, so it sorted a list. All right, given a sequence, it sorted that. Let's try DCBA. So it took it, notice this is a tricky one, it took it, the string, converted it to a list and rearranged the list. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So sum of a sequence did not work for us. So as Python progresses, some methods or functions, built-in functions change. Okay, so now your turn. Try various examples. Make sure you understand those functions. Until next.